Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have MacBook, no matter which types of MacBook you have. I have MacBook Pro 14-inch M2 series and this is a little expensive MacBook Pro, so that's why I purchased screen protector for this MacBook. I'm purchasing this screen protector via Amazon and this screen protector price is 20 euro. So in this video we will see unboxing of this screen protector as well as I will fix out this screen protector on my Mac screen. So let's start as a demonstration. So I just simply cut here using scissor. They are providing Amazon box also, but I already removed this box. Very fast service from Amazon. So look at this. My MacBook screen is a 14-inch. Hope so this one is a fix on my Mac. This is not entire fix of screen. So I have already the screen cleaner. I already make a video. I use simply tissue. Then after anyone can very easily touch my screen. Absolutely fine. So Amazon already provided two types of wet wipes. Now my screen is entire clean. So I just simply please pull out this bar. So look at this. First of all, we need to here the red logo is available. We just put it here, my finger, and we need to remove this one entire like this. We can use. Okay, perfect. Now I fix here properly. If it is not fixed, you can very easily remove also again and again fix properly. And then use the wet wipes properly, again rub once again. So all bubbles we need to remove. Perfect. And now we can remove this one also like this. And again properly rub. And if I on here, so look at this. Now I'm not able to see my screen. If properly face entire the screen, so I can very easily recognize the screen. Look at this. If you are able, if I scroll like this, so no one will recognize which types of content I am working on, like a coding, watching video or any other task. This is a simple and one of the outstanding screen protector for my Mac, and that one is a really very thick. So it is really helpful for my screen and I can use this laptop long life. Because of this one is little expensive. So if you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.